This is Prada. This is Gucci. I just got my cheeks pumped. Also on my face. Here we are again. I've blinded myself successfully. Why do I keep doing this? I feel like a bird. I have to be like, what? Who? Oi! I stared directly into the sun for 5 minutes. Do you think I'm fine? And I keep wondering why I'm still single. Maybe the question is why I'm not in a relationship. Come on! Look at that face! My ancestors went through little hell to continue our bloodline, and here I am, putting red paint on my lips because this is my contribution! The quality of the hair is just... wow. Okay. Let's see. Hey. What the hell? Oh, I put it on backwards. So lucky to have a full set of hair. I mean, not a single hair follicle out of place. Just woke up, put on some mascara and some blush. Hey.